Hello and welcome back to Unresponsive Info. In this video, I will show you what to do if your touchscreen is not responding on SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII. Let's begin. Okay, so you are coming to this video from either two problems. The one, you install the new screen protector and this way your touchscreen is very badly responding or not responding at all. Second, you have just used your phone normally and suddenly touchscreen just froze and there is nothing you can do. I'm going to go through each problem one by one. We can start with the touchscreen problem that is related to screen protector. You want to remove your screen protector, then head into settings. In the settings you want to go into display, and into display you want to scroll down a little, and as you can see here we have a little prevent accidental operations with screen off. This is a little funny thing and usually it basically enables you to use your screen touch. I know it says that usually it's related to screen off, but we can just disable it just to make sure, since sometimes it may also interfere with your normal touchscreen usage. And if you have no touchscreen issues after removing the screen protector, there is also a high chance that your screen protector is simply the problem and you have to get other one or fix the current one. However, going into the second problem of people who are coming here because their phone just stopped responding, you need to do something called force restart. By default, we can reboot our phone by, expanding control center, finding power button and clicking restart. But of course, you cannot do that since your touchscreen is froze. Instead, you want to pick up your phone and you want to press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Nope, this is the screenshot. So we want to press and hold our power button and volume up button. And you want to keep pressing them until your phone goes to black. We can now release it. And as you can see, our phone now restarts. This should resolve any kinds of issues with your touchscreen being frozen. However, if it doesn't help and your touchscreen is still frozen, then something is wrong, and I would strongly advise you to simply go to some sort of mobile phone workshop in your area to have it checked, since something is really wrong. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.